We're getting tacos.
I'm gonna get a taco dorado, a hard shell taco, because I like hard shell tacos.
Birria taco?
Huh?
Just get a birria taco, I guess. So I'm just gonna get like something birria.
I can't do it.
Okay, we're tasting our tacos. It's spicy.
That one is so spicy.
Yeah. What is this?
Radish. Taste it.
Just like I feel like we're supposed to take the spiciness out of it.
Yeah.
What's your rating?
A 10.
A 10? Me too.
Yeah,
A 10.
I think a 10.
It's really good.
Yeah. And it's very cheap.
That too.
Okay, let's go.
We're out of here. Next spot. I think we're going thrifting, right?
Yes.
Thrifting. Hey y'all, we're at Buffalo Exchange right now. Looking at some sweaters. Told you I'm trying to get my style game there.
I can't do it. It's $20. What a good pair of ripped jeans.
Yeah.
Pretty. So cute.
This is so cute.
Alright, I'm gonna get it.
It's like, okay, we want to get beignets. I'm excited. I've always wanted to try beignet. We just finished thrifting. We're going to another thrift store after that. But yeah, oh, I'm excited. It's like the powdered sugar. Oh, goodness. So excited. This is cute. Look at that. Beignets all day. Beignets all day. We're gonna try the beignets. Period. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Wait. So much sugar. The amount of sugar on this thing. Straight sugar. This is like, I feel like I'm in, you know the movie? Princess and the Frog.
Princess and the Frog?
Yes. I give this like a 8. I don't know. No, it's a 9. It's just really sugary.
Uncle Paulie's sandwiches. They're not that great. And anyway, I went there, and it was like right now. You know, we still like in COVID situation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And I ordered my sandwich, and I went to Starbucks.
Yeah.
And I came back, and the guy was like, "Oh." The guy that rang me up, he's like, "Oh, we don't have whatever it is I wanted. Do you want this instead?" I was like, "Yeah, that's fine."
Okay.
He went over there and started making my sandwich with no gloves on his hand.
That is so disgusting. Whoa. Walking around town, something, 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 something.
Oh.
I can imagine living in LA.
You can?
Yeah. I feel like I don't live in LA. I want to live in London.
Yes.
And maybe New York.
London is like living in New York, honestly.
But it's just a different vibe.
It's like a different vibe because it's a lot of Jamaican and African over there. So it's like living in New York, but not. When I say like living in New York, it's like gray, cold. Like,
yeah.
I'm gonna go to Paris.
Well, this is liquid gold from Erewhon, ginger, lemon, turmeric, and cayenne. It's in my nose. It is in my nose. Ooh, that cayenne. I also got this lavender lemonade from Erewhon. Real good. Real good. And I ate tomato soup. Fire. I don't know why it was that good. It was real good. Real good. But that cayenne is still in the back of my throat. Hey Mark, I'm trying. It's my second day here. I'm talking to my vlog. Second day here, and I'm trying avocado toast that TJ's made, and she's gonna put some balsamic vinegar on it. Look at Kai Rizzy.
It's a creamy, you know, you have to think of it as a spread. It's a creamy flavor. I mean, it's a creamy texture.
Texture? Okay. I think it's good.
I mean, it's like I said, it's something that you get used to. It's not something like you eat every day. I mean,
yeah.
I was eating it every day, but.
Air wine, lavender lemonade.
Huh?
I'm gonna give it like an 8, because once I start chewing it, like when I take the first bite, I'm like no, but then once I continuously start chewing it, it's good. So yeah, an 8. Hey guys, one thing about me is I'm always gonna have an outfit on. But if we can go in a Target and it's raining outside, but girl, I had to put on the shirt. And pants and jeans. Honestly, I didn't really know where we were going. We're also going to dinner, like lunch later, dinner. But yeah, I'm always gonna have an outfit on. I'm always ready for the picture. Period. Look at Amanda.
Really weird coats out. That's what I gotta deal with.
Say hi to the vlog, Cairo. It's time to chill.
Time to chill, baby.
Time to chill. Right, Cairo Z? It's time to chill. No?
He
said no? You said no?
Oh, he look at his lips like you. His tongue like you.
Disturb.
Yes, I do not disturb. Come in.
So color coded. Titi, you're so organized.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my book.
I aspire to be this organized.
Hi, Cat.
Hi.
Okay, come on. Let's go in the living room and let's put your thing together. Let's put Cairo's
I got
dress
these
together.
pants. I need to show everything I
I
got.
love these pants.
I literally love these pants. Like, got them thrifting. Yeah. They're cute. Yeah.
Lock it up.
Probably. Have fun. Say hi to the vlog.
It's out because my face is ashy. So,
I'm not editing this out at all.
yeah, that's rude.
Yeah, you get him right. Yeah. Going to get Indian food. Put coconut oil on your face yet?
Water. Oh.
He said, drink your water. No, 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 no. No.
It's water.
It's raining. Y'all, the vlog knows I stay in the house when it's raining. Like, y'all know. Me and Titi are on the same wavelength. Amanda.
Listen, if y'all want to go back in the house and sit down by all means. Actually, let me get a picture of y'all, please. Stand in the rain.
Hey, we're at Bombay Frankie's Company.
Order number 15.
Well, I know. I got 1 beef samosa and what else did I get? A chicken curry burrito.
15. I got a chicken tikka masala burrito with a little mango lassi. Chicken tikka and samosas.
I'm excited. I don't like any like creamy drink. I didn't know this was creamy, but we're gonna try it.
It's like a yogurt drink.
I like mango.
Not with that face though, bro. He literally has his hood on his head. How did you have yours on with your little hair?
See?
It's my baby. It's mine. Stick beside
It tastes like yogurt. It's like the consistency of yogurt.
Oh, it shouldn't be. It's not really not that
I'm not a yogurt person.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like yogurt. But it's good though. You want some water?
Okay, I'm gonna just do a taste test on my phone because the camera's done. But chicken curry burrito. They're known for the Indian burrito, so you gotta try it. Boom. This is fire. Smell something? And I can't believe you're hurting me. I'm not your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. Look, guess it was all just make believe. Love, never knew what I was missing. Once we start kissing, I found you. Hey Bob, day 3. Period. I just went on a walk, and it's like a really chill day. I'm heating up my leftovers from yesterday, the Indian food. Indian food was so freaking good. So freaking good. I never like said anything about it, but it was so freaking good. And so yeah, that's what I'm eating right now. And then I think I'm gonna go raising canes later. I've been wanting to try it, but it's just so freaking long. There's too many things I'm gonna try, but I just been wanting to try it, so that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, right now I'm editing the vlog that you are currently watching. Period. So I'm trying to like get on my editing game. For real. Stay on it. Okay. That's it. Just wanted to check in. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. And I'll see you later at Cane's. We're at Cane's. I'm gonna get the chicken finger combo. Most craveable sauce. And inside, yes, craveable sauce.
And chicken.
I don't know if they have any. I don't see any other sauces on here. Imagine if they only have cane sauce. That would be crazy.
Interesting.
Hi. Can I have the 3 chicken finger combo? Would you like lemonade or punch it with that? Small lemonade. Small lemonade? Yeah. You got any?
Yeah, 7 up around.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. Okay, food is here. CT says that the fries are good.
They are good.
So, they didn't have any other sauce but cane sauce. So hopefully the sauce is fire. Like, because I only eat my chicken fingers and french fries with barbecue sauce. So, let's try this cane sauce. Tastes like mayonnaise.
Does it?
I hate mayonnaise. What are they doing? Ooh, Texas toast. Oh, it's so light and fluffy.
What, the toast?
Mm-hmm. Ooh. This is hot. I'm not a fan of the sauce, but overall, a good 8.5 just because you don't have
I
barbecue
think it's
sauce.
solid.
Yeah, it's solid. Like, this is a good chicken fingers and french fries. Like, this is good.
Yeah, it is.
This is better than Chick-fil-A. It's super fresh.
Okay, it is better than Chick-fil-A chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers, right?
Not the chicken sandwich though.
No. The chicken sandwich is good. Good.
But you know what, to be completely honest, this might be better than the chicken sandwich too.
I don't know. It's the bread. Use this bread.
That would be everything.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't get some barbecue sauce, but you good. Okay, Canes. Okay, now we're rating the lemonade. Well, I rated it. It's terrible. It's super mid. Let's see what Titi says.
It's kind of like sugar water with a little hint of lemon.
A little bit. It's like, it's no like lemon flavor. Like, it's just not. Ew. Chick-fil-A is beating you at this. Yeah. Very LA. Good morning.
Good morning.
You're so pretty. Yeah. I got that tea. Me and Titi are going on a donut run in our PJs. This is the fit. We're in a SK. Yeah, SK Donuts. On the way. Hey vlog. We drove literally. How long did you drive? Like 35 minutes? 35 minutes just for the SK Donut Shop to be closed. Mind you, when we looked it up, it said it was open till 12 a.m. today. We get up there, and she's like, it's closed. I'm like, are you sure? There's no donuts in there. So sad. So sad.
Yes.
So
We all sad.
sad. Okay, we're at the farmer's market right now. We're just walking around trying to see if we can find donuts. No, looks like there's no luck in our little pajamas. We're cute. No one has this chic. No one has. No one can have.
Gumbo. That gotta go over here.
Gumbo. Gumbo's so good.
It's closed?
I don't know. Thank you. We'll be back one day. Yes. Oh, that looks so good. Pasta corner. Whoa. Look how big those watermelons are.
See, everything is moving closer.
This is so sad. Hey, never tried ramen before, so that's what we're doing. I got chicken spicy ramen, I guess. I gotta let it like stay in for a minute.
Just let the try to let the noodles get warm again.
Got it.
Shows your followers this.
Who is eating that? Do you guys enjoy that when y'all eat ramen? Because what is that?
Yeah.
You know that?
Oh boy.
Go on.
Wait, who's the starter card because of what?
Right there. 8.5. Good.
Everything that you ate was an 8.5.
Because I liked it, but I didn't like it that much.
No, the whole time, the whole trip, there's nothing that you really liked. Everything was an 8.5.
Cane's was like a 9 because I had it again today with barbecue sauce, so that's like a 9.
The tacos the first day was an 8.5.
Tacos were actually really good. I changed that to like a 10. That was like really good. Hey, last day. I'm literally leaving in like a few hours. We're gonna get in and out. Ritual. Must get in and out every time I come here. We're getting Starbucks and then in and out, and yeah. Literally, whole vlog is just me trying stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed all these taste tests and just coming along with me trying food. In and out, yeah, double with pickles and the worst fries in the world. Honestly, it's a ritual. It's literally the ritual of LA to get the worst fries ever and the amazing burger. But yeah, LA, signing off. Like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.